Hey there guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to beat the giant piranha in How to Fish. Now this quest starts with talking to the girl on the second island, asking you to bring her 3 leeches so she can make a bait. This bait will be used to lure out the boss fight in this island, and you'll have to defeat it to progress the story even further. Start by collecting the leeches first off the ground and just throw it to the girl's mouth after collecting all of them. Or just throw it one by one if you don't have the inventory space. Once you do have the bait, the next step would be to prepare yourself with guns. In this second island you can purchase either a pistol or a double-barrel shotgun. For me, I would purchase both as it'll be helpful later, but this will take a while to farm because they are both rather expensive. If you want to earn as much money as you can in this island, I recommend buying the beginner boss lure. By using this lure, you'll fight with a more manageable boss for your level. I recommend fighting these mini bosses as much as you can, so you can buy upgrades for your guns much faster. Once you've upgraded your gun's damage to the highest level this island can handle, you can now fight with the piranha. This fight will be tough, as you will fight with the main boss and its smaller piranhas too. I recommend using the trees as cover, so the giant one will have a harder time getting to you. Don't forget to kill some of the smaller ones as well, since you can eat them to heal yourself too. Once its health goes to half, it will reach its second phase and summon a lot more piranhas to help it. This is the time for you to kill the smaller ones first to thin their numbers, and as long as you keep kiting the boss, you'll eventually beat the boss. Don't forget to sell all the meat chunks and the piranhas to the old man, as this will all be a great profit to you. Finally give the giant piranha skeleton over to the girl, and now you can progress over to the next island. And that's about it on how to beat the giant piranha in How to Fish.